Ow! Right, obviously, you've seen the thumbnail and you've clicked on it. This is the day after. I got stung by 9 bees yesterday when I was weeding a little border. Surprised it hasn't happened previous, really. Oh, dear me. This is just basically a little word of warning for everyone. So I don't know what the flower was. It looked like a mound of moss. It had some weeds coming out, so I was picking the weeds out. I thought I put my hand on some sort of spike. Obviously, I had my gloves on, looked down, saw a bee. Thought, oh god, here we go. Got it off, then I started to feel stuff on my legs, stings on my legs. I was like, oh no. So I was flapping about, I was running around the garden trying to bat them off, and they were following us. And one got down my top, stung like under here. I don't know if you can see the mark. Basically, I put stuff on them. I put like sting cream stuff on them. That one killed. I don't know if you can see that there now. One on my thumb. The ones on my legs now are just itching like mad, horrible. I'd rather they'd be hurting because the itching was horrible. And just had some antihistamine. And oh my god, like one bee sting's bad enough, and I'm sure everyone has probably been stung. Oh my god, it was horrible. One followed us to the van, one was obviously still on my leg, on my sock or something, and it was in the van. And of course, with bees, they leave the little stingers in. So, like, that's the difference between bees and wasps, and then the bees will die. So, I got the little stingers out, and I'd opened the shed, and obviously, when it happened, I was near enough finishing anyway, but I thought, I've just got to get home. I didn't know how I was going to react to 9 bee stings. I didn't know how many it was at the time. Like, felt like loads more. So I said to the customer, like, I told her what had happened. I said, look, can you get us me money? I'm just going home now. I was nearly done. She paid us the money. She's like, oh, I'm really sorry. It's like, it's not your fault. It's fine. I said, just be mindful that if anyone does go down the garden, they attacked us as I walked back past to put something back in the shed. They came for us again, and I got another sting. And I just said, just warn people. So yeah, I just quickly drove home, got some antihistamines, and had a shower. And it was killing. It was absolutely killing. I had a bit of ice on them as well, and I was sat watching the telly. But today's itchy. Oh, the itching's worse, man. I'd rather be hurting, I think, because the itching is absolutely horrible. It's not on my arms, just on my legs. Hopefully this is starting to itch this morning, the one under here, like. But just go steady if you're wading, or if you're doing anything in bushes, or you know what I mean. Just it's one of those things until you come across it, you're just not going to really probably know. But yeah, oh my god, right. Stay safe, right. See you in the next one.